Look at the flames in this video posted on Facebook. This was this morning, a brush fire all along the 5 in San Ysidro. It shut down the entire 5 going southbound for hours during the start of rush hour. 10 News anchor Mary McKenzie live there now where crews are still cleaning up. Mary, have they confirmed what started this?
So Virginia, workers nearby say they've seen a number of homeless people in this area for some time now. You can see where the fire was now looking across the 5 freeway. There is no word yet, though, officially on what caused not one, but 2 fires, one on each side of the freeway. Of fire consuming dense eucalyptus and bamboo replaced the sound of traffic this morning on the southbound I-5 just past Dairy Mart Road. Flames in this video seen from across the freeway where firefighters were actually called for another fire about 5 this morning. They got that one out and then saw flames across the freeway. When they got there, they were shooting sky high. First, they had no water to use to put them out. One hydrant on the property next door, a storage facility, it didn't work. They had to quickly bring in 2 water tenders and fight the dense growth with chainsaws to get into the fire.
Hot, nasty stuff.
Embers were flying across the freeway, covering cars in charred black soot. About a ½ acre burned in all. So the conditions obviously this morning kept it from turning into more. You can see lanes back open in both directions on the 5 freeway. Once again, fire crews say they don't know exactly what caused it. They're still working on clearing some of the brush in that area to keep any hot spots from flaring back up again. We're live in San Ysidro. Mary McKenzie, 10 News.
Mary, thank you very much. And over